Hi guys, happy Monday. Wow, look at sa atong Monday guys. This morning it's very cloudy. Luwas mo kayo. Where is it? Can you see it? Right there. Mangga. So guys, happy Monday guys. Atong Monday, wala ta nag-shopping. Nice. See you tomorrow. Guwapa kayong panahon guys. Perting guwapaha. No? Oh my gulay. Ang jeep karabong ko. Karabong ko. Shopee. Ako nag-shopping karon guys kay na ako'y lakaw. Nagdali ko. Happy Monday. Super sunny. Wala mag-uwan. Thank you. Yeah. 75 ang ating dashboard. Mali na ka guys. Mali na ka. Let's go home. Uli na ta guys. Hindi lang sa ta mag-shopping karon. Kaya ang mga pips karon nag-shopping sila guys. Daghang shopping guys. Daghang shoppers. Super shoppers. It's a beautiful day and it's really beautiful day. Ta-da-da-dam. Muli na ta guys kay mga onta og paniod to. Guys, nainindot sa kanan sa likod guys. Somewhere out there together. Tan ta tan. Ta-da-da-dan. It's super sunny.